in piles of documents, searching, struggling. Where is that piece of information? Calling to a number, a line that never gets through. Where is that key person? Roaring, screaming, and scratching. How to operate this thing? Handover and transition period full of questions and questions the world is spinning. Now, IntellFlow, the solution to all. Based on our research, we find that the transition period of new employees is highly inefficient. So, what is the cause of the problem? We surveyed 50 professionals and found that 75% mentioned their problems are most related to specific tasks. 70% of candidates complained they cannot contact their previous employees after they left, and 50% said managers and colleagues are too busy to help. Are there any current solutions? Although most companies have introduced induction programs, they are too general and don't provide specific guidance. HRs are also involved, but only in administration aspect, and can't help with specific tasks. So, what is the solution? Our solution is the IntellFlow system. How to solve the problem? Our solution is IntellFlow, a system that can provide new employees with all the business information they need during transition period to improve handover efficiency and reduce human capital costs. How does IntellFlow work? IntellFlow engages outgoing employees, new employees, and human resource department. For outgoing employees, after they submit the resignation, they need to log into the IntellFlow system and download the most up-to-date question list. The list gives clear instructions on tasks to be completed before they can leave the organization. For example, file documents and note down know-hows. Their responses are then uploaded to the local database. After the HR department's approval, the outgoing employees can pack up suitcases and ready to leave. For onboarding employees, when they have a question, they will log into the IntellFlow system and search for answers. If the question is already in the local database, answers of relevance will be extracted from the local database and displayed. New employees then use these answers to solve their problems and provide feedback on whether they think the answers are useful or not. When there is no such question, the new question will be automatically uploaded to the central database. At set time intervals, questions stored in the central database will be processed. A most up-to-date question list will be generated and distributed to the local databases. For the Human Resource Department, staff can get reports generated by the IntellFlow system about both new and leaving employees. Human resource staff can follow the status of the handover and provide support where necessary. All stakeholders involved can benefit from this system. For outgoing employees, they get a clear instruction on what to record and save time and effort. For onboarding employees, they can easily find instructions on how to perform specific tasks. It also minimizes the information gap between outgoing and incoming employees. This helps them to transit to the new job and perform at a higher level. For managers, they can fully concentrate on core business thanks to minimized disruption caused by changing team members. And HR department, by monitoring what questions are being asked and answered, they are able to track onboarding employees' transition progress and outgoing employees' task fulfillment. For the client company as a whole, the IntellFlow system can help to pass on intellectual property between employees, improve productivity, save costs, and build a supporting corporate culture. So, how can Deloitte benefit from this project? The major benefit is millions of sales from IntellFlow system. Apart from this, there are 3 additional benefits that could be potentially exploited. First, Deloitte can help clients to map their internal workflow and offer consultancy advice on potential problems with internal processes, procedures, and structures. Second, by analyzing what employees in a specific role are asking, Deloitte can help clients better understand if they have recruited the right employee and what kind of employee they need to target in future recruitment. Third, Deloitte Human Capital can use questions in central database to design future training packages for clients.
Our business plan is divided into 4 stages. In the first stage, the focus is on system development. Then we introduce IntellFlow to clients. In the third stage, revenue is expected to grow exponentially. Finally, market will reach its maturity stage and cash flow start becoming stable. IntellFlow, let the Intel flow.